questions to go on, I'm just going to have to do them. So, first thing here, variable declared with the random string. String 1, Manchester United are the best. You can see I've mixed up a few things there. Capital M, capital U, all capitals here, capital B. You know, a good mixture there of what's going on. So, if I go back to my Python reference guide, the first question I'm asked here is change string to the following. So, change it all to uppercase. So, what I need to do is, and I should say uppercase and print. And print the output, sorry. Or uppercase and print the output. So I should have said that there. I should have said lowercase and print the output. So you can take it that I mean print the output to all of them. And you would have had to, didn't you have to double check there to see that anyway? Well, hopefully you did. So what you do, I'll print it in a second. So string 1, and maybe I could call it. No, I won't. I'll print it all together. String 1, so this is what you do. Whatever the name of the string is, so the string could be called anything, right? Whatever it's called, and I'm going to call it, change it now to, no, I leave it as string 1. Okay, I could have called it that, but you just go dot upper, returns the uppercase of the string. So if I just go dot upper, now if I run that, I'm going to get all that function stuff up there above and everything. So I'm going to calculate this, comment this out, because it's only going to affect the rest of my program, and I'm going to be waiting ages for it to do all this stuff and everything. So let me get rid of this fella. Yeah, commented out as far as there. So I'm just focusing now on this part down below. So if I run that, please enter your full name. Oh, I've got other things coming on now in a minute. Right, now nothing happens, but I didn't. Can I see if it's upper or not? No. So what I need to do is I need to print string 1 dot upper. Manchester United are the best now. It's all gone to lowercase. And I just want to try one more thing. I want to see if I go here, print string 1. Will that have changed uppercase? What do you think? Will it? No, it hasn't. So I didn't store it permanently, Matthew. Right? I didn't store it permanently. So you've got to do one or two things. Maybe you could do this. Upper is equal to, and then print our upper S, maybe we call it. Upper S1. And now we'll see if this works. Upper S1. Manchester United are the best. So if I want to change it to upper, I either have to store it in a variable and then print the variable, or I can directly print string 1 dot upper. Now just watch out for what the question asks, because if it just asks you to show that they're all upper, that's all you have to do. Next one there, lowercase. Right, same kind of idea here. Print string 1 dot lower, again using your Python reference guide. You'll be provided with this in your exam. Python reference guide, string 1 dot lower, name of the string. Run that now. We'll see Manchester United are best and Manchester United are the best. Next one, check if they're all alphabetic characters. So string 1 dot, is it called is all alpha or something? Is all alpha. This fella here, see that? Is alpha. Sorry, that's it. It's just called is alpha. Now, what are you going to get returned here? What do you think you're going to get returned? It's going to check if it's alphabet. What are you going to get back? What? False. True or false? It should be true, shouldn't it? And I get false back. So why do I get false back there? Manchester United are the best. Manchester United are the best. What's that? Is that debatable, is it? Yeah, spaces. No, spaces are characters. Oh, spaces aren't part of the alphabet. Come on, Michael. Take out those spaces. And now, it'll, instead of saying true, Yes, Michael, well done, well done. Now, can I just show you something here? Like, you might get something like that, but let's say the question said to you then, you know, um, if 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 it's all lower, tell the user that, and if it's not, tell the user that. So you could say here, store this in a variable, result, let's say, is equal to string1.alpha, and then you could say something like, if result is equal to true. Yeah, can you do that? If it's true, say print that the string is all alphabetic characters. But else print the string is not all alphabetic characters. The string is not. So let's see if this works. And we got back there the result. So it was based on this fellow up here. Now remember, Manchester United are the best because the space is in it. It said false was returned. False was returned. And then, so if result is equal to true, the string is all alphabetic characters. So let's print result here now as well to see it. And there's false. Let's take out the spaces. We should get true back now. And you get true. The string is all alphabetic characters. Yeah, let me change this now for the next one. So the next one here, check if the string is all numeric digits. So again, check if the string is all numeric digits. You might have something here. I don't know. So that we call that result 1 because that's what we got there. And let's see here. We go down here. And what do I change this to? Is digit, isn't it? And look at, returns true if all characters are alphanumeric. So if they're alphabetic and numeric. See that one in there? You could have loads of different things here in this. So there's lots of things, but this one is digit. Now we should get false back here, and this should be result 2. Because the first one will be ignoring that. Where do I get name? Oh, result 1. And we still have it, or result 1 now, yeah. Sorry, there we go. So the string is all down here, then you get false, don't you? For that last one, it's not. But if I change this down to this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to get true out. Yeah, and then the last one, find the index position of the first space. And I'm going to do this. Location, first space. And in here I'm going to say string 1 dot index. And in here I'm going to look for a space. Now, there are more than one space in my answer, isn't there? Manchester United are the best. So it returns only the first one. First space. Now I don't have Manchester United are the best anymore, but here we've got string dot index, and S means whatever you're looking for in the string. Whatever you're looking for in the string. So I'm looking for a space. Am I going to get a space? Substring not found. Do I have any spaces in here? I have no spaces. So let's put in one space. Let's leave that in there for the crack. Run it again. And look. Well, it hasn't even showed me there. Now there's too much stuff going on. If it's into your full name, is that before it, is it? So, oh, I didn't print that. I didn't print where it was. Print location of first space. Number 1. And is that right? Index 0, index 1. Let's get rid of that. Let's put space up here. So index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4. We should be getting back index 4 here now. Lovely. Right, which brings me on to our next question. And I'm going to comment all of this out now. Yes. No other ways. That works as well, does it? Perfect. Yeah. Brilliant. That's great there and that one. So just make sure here. Please enter your first name. Here's the next one for you. You ready? Next question. Enter your name, and I want you to split it up and say your first name is Brendan, your second name is Clark. Go for it.